This here is a repair gasket kit, repair wheel gasket kit. It's a original brand from ELRING. It fits several vehicles, the Benz trucks. There's the commonly known as 38, 1924 or Mkangafu. There's the V trucks and some of the Actros, I think. I'm not sure, I'm not certain, because more of these older seals used to cross-reference with a lot of vehicles. So it contains a few things inside the kit. There are 2 oil seals, as you can see. The oil seals are generally 145 by 175. I can't zoom in properly on the numbers, but they're usually 145 by 175 if I can check it correctly. Yeah, 145, 175 by 15. That's the correct size of the 2 oil rings. So this is a full kit, including 2 seals, 2 gaskets, 2 washers, diff washers, and 1 oil ring or oil ring kit, oil ring seal. So it's a good brand from ELRING, an old brand. I generally have less to say about it. If I can flip the page on the lower side, it will show you the original OEM part number, which is 914.215. So you can Google 914.215. That's the original OEM for the ELRING kit. So for anyone interested, they're still available in stock while stock lasts.